Hello guys, welcome to KPSC Sutras. So from KPSC Sutras today let us pay a small tribute to Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan, the famous mathematician of India. National Mathematics Day is celebrated every year on December 22nd, honoring the birth anniversary of mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. National Mathematics Day was first observed in 2012 when former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared this day as National Mathematics Day on February 26, 2012, when he was visiting the Madras University in order to pay tribute to Ramanujan's achievement and celebrated his 125th birth anniversary. Since then, it is observed every year on December 22nd to honor Ramanujan's work in the field of mathematics. Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar was born on December 22nd, 1887 in Tamil Nadu's Erode. He had developed a talent for mathematics from a very young age, mastering trigonometry at the age of 12, and he was eligible for a scholarship at Government Arts College in Kumbakonam, where he was enrolled in the year 1903. He had enrolled in Madras Pachiyappa College at the age of 14. Ramanujan worked at the Madras Port Trust in 1912, where his mathematical prowess was recognized by some of his co-workers, one of whom referred him to the Professor G. H. Hardy of Trinity College, Cambridge University. He met Hardy in the year 1913, a year after which he went to Trinity College, where he had honed his craft under the Englishman's tutelage. He received his degree from Cambridge University in 1916 and went on to publish several brilliant papers on his subject with Hardy's help, and the two even collaborated on several joint projects and publications. Ramanujan was elected to the London Mathematical Society in 1917 and was elected as a Fellow of Royal Society for his excellent work on elliptic functions and theory of numbers. In the year 1918, he was also first Indian to be elected a Fellow of the Trinity College. In the next year, he returns to India. Ramanujan died at the young age of 32 owing to deteriorating health on April 26, 1920. Now, let us understand some of the important contributions of Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. The thoughts of Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan are inspired in various areas like mathematical analysis, infinite series, continued fractions, number theory, game theory. In 1914, Ramanujan found a formula to computing pi that is currently the basis for the fastest algorithms used to calculate pi. The circle method, which he developed with G. H. Hardy, constitute a large area of current mathematical research. Ramanujan discovered K3 surfaces, which play key roles today in string theory and quantum physics, while his mock modular forms are being used in an effort to unlock the secret of black holes. Let us see a few interesting facts about Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. First of all, Ramanujan formula for estimating the value of pi. Ramanujan had a great obsession that would follow him until the end of his days, the number pi. From his hand came hundreds of different ways of calculating approximate values of pi. In just the two notebooks he wrote before arriving at Cambridge are found 400 pages of formulas and theorems. Thanks to theoretical foundations that Ramanujan laid a century ago, powerful computers have calculated the first 10 trillion decimals of the number pi. Going further is considered a test of fire in the world of computing. Next, we must understand about Ramanujan's congruences. So, in mathematics, similar factors having similar properties are called congruences. In number theory, a partition of a positive integer n, also called as integer partition, is a way of writing n as sum of positive integers. In this background, Ramanujan's congruences are some remarkable congruences for partition function. Let us understand what is congruence through this first equation. So here, if a number 4 is more than multiple of 5, then the sequence would be 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. Then the number of its partitions is multiple of 5, that is 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 5, 24. So this formula helps us to understand such partitions of innumerous numbers. Thanks to Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. Similarly, there are two other congruences. Next interesting fact is Hardy-Ramanujan number, that is the number 1729. The Hardy-Ramanujan number is named such after an anecdote of British mathematician G.H. Hardy, who had gone to visit S. Ramanujan in hospital. The anecdote is a part of Ramanujan's biography, The Man Who Knew Infinity by Robert Nigel. Mr. Hardy quipped that he came in a taxi with the number 1729, which seemed a fairly ordinary number, which was not the same ordinary number for Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. So what is interesting about this number 1729? So this number 1729, the Hardy-Ramanujan number, is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two different cubes in two different ways. So this number 1729 is the sum of cubes of 10 and 9. Cube of 10 is 1000 and cube of 9 is 729. Adding the two numbers results in 1729. 1729 is also sum of cubes of 12 and 1. Cube of 12 is 1728, whereas cube of 1 is 1. Adding the two numbers again result in 1729. So this is one of the unique feature of this number 1729, which is popularly called as Hardy-Ramanujan number. Next interesting discovery is the Ramanujan theta function. Ramanujan's last gift to the mathematicians was his ingenious discovery of the Mach theta functions of order 3, 5 and 7. So recently, Andrews and Hickerson found a set of 7 more functions in Ramanujan's lost notebook and formally labeled them as Mach theta functions of order 6. In this paper, the complete forms of these functions have been studied and connected with bilateral basic hypergeometric series. So these series form a basic part in various explorations and scientific discoveries. So guys, with this, we are paying a tribute to Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. So thank you for watching KPSC Sutras. Like and subscribe KPSC Sutras if you really like the video. Thank you again.